Have you ever wondered why some people shine in social situations? Personality development is the key. It shapes how you think, feel, and interact. Let's explore this essential journey together step by step. First, self-awareness is crucial. Understand your strengths and weaknesses. Reflect on your thoughts and feelings. Journaling is a great tool for this. Next is goal setting. Define clear personal goals. What traits do you want to improve? Make them specific and achievable. Then, seek feedback. Ask friends or mentors for their perspectives. This insight can help you grow. Practice mindfulness daily. It enhances your emotional regulation. Techniques like deep breathing can ease stress and anxiety. Engage in new experiences. Try public speaking or join clubs. This pushes you out of your comfort zone. Consider reading self-help books. They provide strategies for enhancement. Learning from others' experiences can inspire you. With consistent effort, change will happen. Celebrate small victories along the way. Each step counts in your development journey. In summary, personality development improves your relationships and confidence. Start by being self-aware and setting goals. Embrace feedback and new experiences. Are you ready to unlock your potential? Begin today.